Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ConvertKit for Creator SEO traffic funnels, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for ConvertKit. Press enter to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, locate the login button. Click on the login button in the top right corner. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your ConvertKit account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you prefer to stay logged in, check the box for Remember Me. After filling in your details, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your ConvertKit dashboard. In case you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via your email. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Look for the Forms and Landing Pages options to start creating funnels. Explore additional features like the Automations section. This allows you to automate your email sequences and traffic funnels. Using these tools effectively can enhance your SEO traffic strategy. For detailed guidance on each feature, refer to the help documentation on the site. Focus on optimizing your forms and landing pages for better conversions. Monitor your analytics to track the performance of your funnels. Adjust your strategies based on the data you collect. Make continuous improvements for sustained SEO traffic growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.